Alright, so we're going to talk about how to subtract integers using counters. It's a little bit different than when we added integers with counters, alright? So we need to pay attention. So first things first, step 1, write your expression in words before you use your model. Alright, so what it means by that is if you look at example 1, it's -5 minus -3. So in words, that would be -5 take away -3. All right? Step 2, lay out the counters that represent the first number in the equation or expression. So our first number is -5. So we're going to lay out our counters or draw them. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right? Now, step 3, look at the second number and see if you can take away from the first number. If you can, take that amount away, and what is left is your answer. So we have -5 take away -3. So we have -5 here, and we need to take -3 away. Since we have -3 to take away, let's take them away. All right, then it says, if you can, take that amount away, and what is left is your answer. So since we took away -3 and we have some left over, this is what our answer is going to be. So our answer was going to be -2. All right, that one's not so bad. Let's look at example number 2. Let's follow our steps. Write your expression. So we have 6 take away -3. So then step 2 is lay out the counters for your first number. So we have +6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now, we need to take away -3. All we have here are positives. So we have no negatives to take away. So if you cannot take any away, we need to add that many 0 pairs to our model and then take away how much we need. All right, so what that means is we are going to add, and since we need to take away -3, we're going to add 3 0 pairs. We're going to add 3 0 pairs. Now remember, a 0 pair is a positive and a negative together. So here we have 3 0 pairs. Okay? Now, after we add our 0 pairs, we take away however much we need. So we need to take away 3 negatives. Since we've added this 0 pair, I have 3 negatives that I can take away. So let's take these away. Oops, my ink went away, sorry. Let's take these away. All right, so we took away our -3. Now, what we have left is our answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we have 9 positives left over. So that is going to be our answer. Yes, I know it's a little different and a little confusing, but let's do another example. So example 3 is -1 take away -7. All right, -1 take away -7. So we need to draw our first number with our model. So we have a negative integer chip. Okay, now we need to take away -7. How many negatives do we have to take away? We only have 1 negative to take away. Since we only have 1 to take away, we need to add a couple more 0 pairs in order to take away -7. We already have 1 negative to take away. So all we need to add is 6 0 pairs, because this will give us the total amount of negatives that we need to take away. All right, so -1 take away -7. So let's take away -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that we've taken them away, we have some numbers left over. So what we have left over is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 positives left over. So that is our answer. All right, let's do another example. So we have 7 take away -3. So let's draw our 7 positives. All right, so there's our 7 positive, and we need to take away -3. Since we don't have -3 to take away, we need to add, I'm going to do it down here because I ran out of room. We need to add 3 0 pairs because we need to take away 3 negatives. After we do that, we have 3 negatives that we can take away. All right, so then we count what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we have 10 positives left over, so that is going to be our answer. All right, let's do another example because we have 2 more. So this is -8, take away -8. So let's draw our negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it says we need to take away -8. Do we have -8 to take away? We do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since we've taken away everything that we need, we have nothing left over. So our answer is 0. Last example, example number 6. We have 2 positives. We need to take away -3. All right. Since we don't have -3 to take away, we have to add 3 0 pairs. And when we add 3 0 pairs, we have our -3 to take away. And what we have left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 positive, and that is our answer. That is how you subtract integers using counters.